Julie's Designs. This video, I'm going to be showing you everything that I worked on this week. And I do lots of thrift flip videos where I show very detailed steps on how I upcycle these items. So I will put the links in the description below. If you are wanting to look at how to actually make this item, you can go watch the more detailed video. This is just going to be like a kind of quick before and after of everything that I worked on this week. So I have it all down here at the bottom because I took a cute little picture. So I'm just going to be grabbing stuff from here instead of like rearranging it because that'll be easier. So let's go start at the top and we're going to work our way down. This thing is so cute. So I thrifted this maybe a month ago and it had a little handle on it, and I used my metal cutting blade for the jigsaw. I'm not always good with technical terms, but if you go to Harbor Freight, in the jigsaw section, there'll be like different types of blades, and I got one that cuts metal. So for like these little things, I can use my jigsaw, which I'm pretty good at using. So I just cut the little handles off, and now is this adorable little basket. I am not selling this piece because this is the kind of stuff I love. I love like rusty, crusty kitchen items, and I know so many people throw this stuff away, so I get so excited when I find it at a garage sale or thrift store, because I mean, what normal person would keep this? You would just throw it away, right? So I get super excited when I find it. I love this to put some greenery in, or like some faux fruit on a shelf. Oh, so cute. I actually have like a few of these in my house and I just can't get enough of them. So if you have rusty, crusty kitchen stuff, do not throw it away. Find you a hoarder, thrift a hoarder. Hoarder is a nice term on this channel, just so y'all know. Hoarder is a term of endearment. That means you love amazing stuff. And give it to them so we can rehome it to somebody else. So if I was to sell it, I would sell it for probably 10 bucks, but this was mine. I'm keeping it. And do y'all remember this toolbox from my very last haul? One of my subscribers commented that I should paint the inside, and I thought that was a great idea because I think it would be so cute opened up with floral. So I did go ahead and paint the inside. That way, if somebody wants to open it up and have a little floral in here, that would be super cute because it was like this dark brown color before. So I just love this thing. It is so perfect for spring. Somebody needs it for their house, and I am selling it for $20. Tonight, actually, I have a live sale. Well, tonight in my time, because when I post this video, it will have passed already. And if you're wondering what a live sale is, it's like a Facebook live sale where I pretty much do this. I tell you what I have, how much it is, what I would use it for, and people comment if they want it. I have a whole video on it, and I will also put that down in the description below. And the times we are living in now, this is the perfect way to sell your stuff and hang out with people. Super fun because they can chat back and can have some of that social interaction without having social interaction, you know. Fun times, fun times. Okay, this little candlestick, oh my god. This little candlestick, I think was like 2 hauls ago. I don't remember, y'all. I like shop too much, but you probably remember. It was gold, and I just painted it white and distressed it. So what I do is like I'll make a pile of stuff that just needs to be sprayed, and then I'll set it out on my table and get my spray gun and just go ahead and spray it all. Once it's dry, I put it in here, which is our like party room area. And then I can sit and watch TV and distress it and finish it up. And just depending where it goes is how I decide if I'm going to seal it. Like this is a candlestick. It doesn't need to be sealed. Like it's going on somebody's mantle or whatever. It's not getting like touched constantly. It'll be fine. Oh, let's see. This, somebody commented this was a tissue box, but I don't like it as a tissue box. I did try, and it does fit a tissue box, but you can see the top. So, I don't know. Unless you put it on a high shelf, I just don't like that. I feel like it's better as a floral box. It was that dark tin that looks amazing once you paint and distress it. Y'all be on the lookout for this dark tin. So you can paint it and distress it, and this is $10 for this, and it's actually already sold because somebody that stopped by and shopped earlier wanted it, and I'm like, you can have it, but I need it for this video. So now that I did this video, I can get it to its new owner, and just look how cute. I always like to find cute little flower boxes. Adorable. Okay, this basket, y'all know how I love baskets. I'm sorry, I forgot to get a before picture of this, but basically it was like this bright new looking basket. We don't like that. We want everything to look old. So I put the antiquing wax and water mixture on it, and now it looks perfectly aged. I love the shape of this basket because I feel like it can be used for so many different things since it's kind of flat and shallow. Like if you wanted to put it on your kitchen island, that was kind of loud, with some floral, and then you still have room for like fruits and vegetables, or in your bathroom, like some towels rolled up, or like so many places. On top of your kitchen cabinets. Ooh, it'd be cute like with some floral laid across it. That would be cute as well. So love this basket. It's like a shorter version of a picnic basket. I don't think it had a cover on it. I'm pretty sure this is how it came. Anyway, I love this. Oh, I didn't price this yet. I'm gonna say $15 on this basket. This is cute. I love this. Not keeping it, $15, and put it over here so I can remember to price it. And okay, these are some orders that I had. These are really good sellers. They are tissue boxes. So if you make these and put them in your booth, I highly recommend you at least stage one of them, because I like some of them I make them with words and some of them I don't, because not everybody wants words on anything. But if you just have a plain box, the customers won't know what it is. So at least stage the first one. I measured them to fit the Scott's toilet paper because that's what we use, and it's a nice big toilet paper to go off of. I don't think they make much toilet paper bigger than that. So that's how I got the measurements, and I also, use the toilet to figure out how wide and all that. And one lady wanted to say, please seat yourself. And then this one's very Cajun. It says, let the good times roll. So that's been a popular seller. Actually, I can't say that I came up with this idea. Actually, a customer asked me to put it on their toilet box, and ever since then, I've been doing it, and they sell. It's a cute little saying, down in New Orleans. So let the good times roll. We always up for a good time around here. And I sell these for $26. $26 for these. It's nothing on the back, so that's how they look plain, which is cute as well. Okay, this was a fun project. Let me try to not to knock stuff over. This was for me. One of my friends found me this wooden horse, and I absolutely loved it. It was like this orange color before. I painted it pink, the same color that I used in the girls' bathroom. I think it was called Camel Coral. It's a chalk paint. So I painted it. Now, when I was painting this is when I remembered why I like spraying stuff so much. This took forever. It took like 4 coats of paint. Like, it's so nice just to spray it. I mean, it takes no time at all to spray it. So this one I painted by hand, but it looks really, really sweet. Okay, and then I wanted to make like a little saddle, and I was thinking this would still be cute, but I would have had to go out shopping for it, and I didn't want to do that. So like a linen ruffle saddle, how adorable would that be? But didn't have that. It was very expensive online. Like, linen is so popular right now. Like, anything linen is just priced so high because they know that that's what people want. So anyway, I had these 2 vintage napkins, and I thought that would look so sweet. They're embroidered. And what I did was I connected them at the points and they overlapped. So they overlapped at the points and it made this little square. And so then I stuffed that and then I hung it over the horse and then I stapled the bottom. You see I have 3 staples here. Oh look, you can see the color it was before. So it would kind of like, I like the shape of the horse, so I wanted to maintain that. And then I just wanted these to drape down. So sweet and cute. It looks perfect in Ren's room. Her room is very vintage. I have a whole video tour of her room. Y'all will not be disappointed if y'all watch that video. Oh, her room is amazing. Still one of my favorite rooms in the house. So, but it's very tiny. Like I can not put anything else in there. So hopefully nobody else brings me anything cute that I need to keep because there's no room in that, in her bedroom. Okay, this was a custom order. So around Christmas time, I don't know if y'all saw those oyster nativity sets I was making. Well, I had a customer that got one and she absolutely loved it. And she asked me if I could make a little house for her to put her holy water. So I made it the same way, except it has sides. And then, so of course I put like, this is bark. I put a bigger top on it. And then she's just gonna sit her little holy water in there. She ordered 3 of them. Ooh. That was some hot glue hanging on. And I think I charged her $20 a piece for them. But I think these are gonna look really cute with something in there. So that's that. And then we have this little spindle ladder. This is always a popular seller. This is, I call it a mini spindle ladder. So this could go like in your kitchen with a little tea towel, in your bathroom with a little hand towel, wherever. And I'm thinking about doing one of these on a thrift to treasure video very soon because I get asked a lot about ladders. And a bigger ladder is a little more complicated, but these mini ladders are really easy to make. And they usually consist of using free stuff. So let me know if y'all want to see that and I can totally do that. Cute little mini ladder. Oh, and these are $18. Okay. All right, so if y'all saw my Instagram post the other day, I was cleaning out my attic. If y'all don't follow me on Instagram, go follow me. I love the stories. I love posting whatever I'm up to and cute videos of the baby. She's the only one that lets me film her, so that's why. I do have 4 kids, but they're older and like, oh, mom, no. You know how it goes. So the baby doesn't have a choice, so she lets me film her. Anyway, I had these buckets. They're from the Dollar Tree. I don't know if the Dollar Tree still has them. I think when they first came out, I was like, oh my God, those are amazing, and bought a whole bunch of them, and now I have a bunch. But I did this exact bucket before on a video, so I can post that. So when I saw them up in the attic, I knew exactly what I was going to do to them. So I did the textured paint, and then this stamp is not actually on the bucket, because if you've ever stamped a round surface, it is really hard. So one of my followers posted that she stamped on tissue paper, then applied it to the bucket. It works amazing and it's so much easier. So what you do basically is you put the texture paint on, then you stamp it on white tissue paper, you put some Mod Podge on your bucket, then you put the tissue paper on top, then you Mod Podge it over it. And that's it. And it looks amazing. You see that? So on the last video, I had a lot of questions about if I seal the texture paint, and I do. I normally seal everything with Rust-Oleum clear coat out the spray can because that's just really easy and convenient for me. But since I already had the Mod Podge out and I was Mod Podging over the stamp, I just Mod Podged the whole thing. So this is sealed with Mod Podge. And then this one had some little handles like this one, but they were broken off. So what I did was I just added a little jute rope to them, and this would be perfect in a kitchen with some greenery, some wooden spoons, just whatever you wanted. I would probably put greenery, but you know what? Once the customer buys it, I don't really care what they do. I just give suggestions. Okay, and these I actually did on a video, but I figured I should probably include the projects that I also did on that week's thrift flip videos, because if you were watching this like months from now, you know, like not everybody watches my videos in order. So if I show it on here and you're like, oh my God, I need to know how she made that, then you can go watch the video and see. You know what I mean? Connecting all the dots here. So this was a placemat that I had, and I turned it into a wall basket for, I think, floral, but you can put whatever you want in it. So I did two sizes. This is a 20-inch one, and then this one's my favorite. It is a 33-inch one. Y'all, look how cute. I already saw one of these because my customer that came shopping earlier, she had to have one. I'm like, yeah, girl, you gotta have one. How cute is this? So all I did was I made this, pretty much this frame for this placemat, and then using my staple gun, I stapled this onto the wood, creating like kind of like an envelope, and now it's perfect. She's actually gonna hang it outside like in a covered area and probably put some really cute greenery in it. And I can't wait to get the pictures because that is gonna be amazing. She's the kind of customer that I love because not only does she buy my stuff, but she styles it to perfection. Like, she makes it look so good, and I absolutely love that. Okay, is that everything? Oh wait, no, I made something else in the Thrift to Treasure. This sign. So this was just a shutter that I attached a sign to. I also made the sign. This is gonna sell for $45. Have I been telling y'all prices? I've got to get better at this. You know, there's a lot going on, but I guess it doesn't matter because when I'm editing the video, I'm gonna put it like right here, all the stuff. So if I forget stuff, I'll add it in later. The big one like this is $36, and then the smaller one is $30. I think I might have told y'all the prices on everything else. I am not a professional, in case y'all haven't figured it out. I just have, I think, a great talent and imagination for seeing items and just being able to turn them into something totally different that people will love to put in their home. So, if you love these type of videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel. There's lots of DIYs, lots of thrift flips, lots of thrift store shopping and haul videos. That's my favorite because that's the fun part of this job. So yeah, y'all subscribe if y'all love that kind of stuff. You can follow me on Instagram. We also have a Julie's Designs and Signs Facebook group that is full of just amazing inspiration and wonderful women. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see y'all in the next video.